he's typing on the phone. I saw him type. He took his left hand off the steering wheel to type on the phone in his right hand. Hotel Kilo 14 Delta Foxtrot X-ray. Got yourself far there, didn't you, mate? Ah yes, Moorfields Eye Hospital, I can clearly see that. You should not be holding and typing on your phone, should you, sir? I shouldn't be what?